Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 69 practice set. And we're talking about the proper way to have scientific notation. So if you'll remember, I'll write it over here in the margins. Scientific notation is a number, point, however many numbers you have behind the decimal point. This cannot be greater than 9, okay, times 10 to, and there's an exponent up here of some kind, positive or negative. This is proper scientific notation. What you're going to see in A through F is improper scientific notation, which is not, they're telling us to write each number in the proper scientific notation. So, and then let me kind of show you what the rules are. So if I'm moving the decimal to the right, so I'm going to have to move this here to make this proper scientific notation. If I'm moving it to the right, then it's times 10 to the negative 1. If I'm moving it to the right, or times 10 to the negative, whatever it needs to be. But I'm also not going to lose my times 10 to the 6th. Then, since these are the same, I can add these exponents. So I get 1.6 times 10 to the 5th. And that is my answer. Okay? Let me try another one that looks like that. So D also looks very much like A. And I'm going to be moving the decimal point to the right. So to the right is 10 to the negative 1. So this equals 7.5 times 10 to the negative 1, because that's how many places I moved it, times 10 to the negative 8. Now I'm going to add these, and I get 7.5 times 10 to the negative 9. Okay. The other ones, actually literally all of the other ones go the other way. And let me show you what I mean by that. So for B, we have too many numbers here. It should just go behind the very first non-zero number. So this should be 2.4. And I had to move it 1 to the left. So to the left, which is this way, it's times 10 to the 1. So I have times 10 to the 1 times 10 to the negative 7. I add the negative 7 and the 1, and I get 2.4 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, same thing happens with C. So I'm going to move the decimal this direction, or to the left. 3.0 times 10 to the 1 times 10 to the 5th, and I'm going to add these. 3.0 times 10 to the 6th. Okay, let me just change colors for the fun of it. We've done A, B, C, D. So we're on E. I have to move this to the left. So it's going to be 1.44 times 10 to the 1 times 10 to the 8th. And then I will add these, and I get 1.44 times 10 to the 9th. Now, let me show you. You can have as many numbers behind the decimal as you need, but you can only have one in the front for proper scientific notation. One number, that is, not the number 1. And then here I'm going to move to the left as well. So I have 1.24 times 10 to the 1 times 10 to the negative 5. I'm going to add these, and I get 1.24 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, I think that is all of our practice set. The next video will be star problems. Have a great day.